Hey everyone, I have built a simple custom React frontend for a chatbot. It can make update, create item, fetch data, understand Podio's item structure, and discuss multiple items in a single session while remembering the context as we go. For this demo, I'm using Podio with 4 sample items and some test fields data. The chatbot is still a work in progress and I'll keep improving it. Let's dive in. So here's the front end, basic structure that I have created. And here are these items I set up, each with sample fields and data. So here you can see some text fields, phone number, email, number, currency fields, date field, category field, etc. So next we'll chat with the bot about them one by one. Once it learns about each item, we'll mix things up, ask random questions, update these records, create new ones, and even use vague, filter-free phrases. The bot should figure it out using its own intelligence. So first, let's run a few queries on each item so bot can understand about them. Let's close here the status. Let's talk about the second item. So it mentioned fire here. So it's the third test. And the last item. So as you can see, the status is paused. So it provided all the details correctly. So we will now randomly ask the bot about the first item we talked about. First item was the first test. So as you can see, it provided the correct detail. We first talked about the first item, the first test item, with the title first test. Now we'll ask it about the third item. So as you can see, it provided the correct detail, third test, as we also asked the title of the third item here. You can see first item, second item, third item. So it provided the third test and it also provided the correct detail here. So we'll next try to update this item. Let's see which item the bot updates, the one we are talking about currently, or will it be confused and will make mistake. We'll use a vague phrase here. So as you can see, it's showing that it updated the item. So let's go to third test. So here we can see it updated its days to 81. Let's ask another query with a vague phrase. So here you can see the status is completed. So it provided the correct detail. So let's now try to create an item with some details. So I'm using the title to be fifth test, and status should be open, and day should be 52. Let's see what the bot will do. So let's see what it created. So yes, it created this item with title test, fifth test, day is 52, and status open. So it's also creating the items. So you might be wondering what the save to KB button does here. So if you are happy with the bot's answer and you think it's the possible answer that the bot can provide you, hit the save to knowledge base button. The bot stores the reasoning and processing in its vector database. Next time a similar question comes up, it can pull the knowledge to reply faster and with more accuracy. So that's the demo. Custom React UI, Podio integration. We can integrate any platform or CRM we want. Multi-item memory, context switching, and a save to knowledge base boost for fast and more accurate answer, and to train your bot by your own. If you want a deeper dive or the code breakdown, comment demo and I'll make a follow-up. Like, share, and subscribe for updates. Thank you.